check this out. Brand new Pheromone Cologne gift set. Vigor Midnight Raw. Ladies and gents, this is by Raw Chemistry. Very popular and highly rated brand. Quick unboxing. I want to show you exactly what it looks like straight out of the box, so you can make better decision if this is for you. Alright, so let's actually take this out real quick. Matter of fact, this looks extremely fancy and definitely makes an amazing gift. Ladies and gents, a moment of truth. Voila. Amazing presentation, matter of fact. Look at this. Very simple, but looks really elegant. We have the blue, the white transparent, and the red one. The blue pill or the red pill? Very smart, matter of fact. So let's take them out one by one, right? So this is what it looks like overall. Look at this. Very awesome. Matter of fact, I'm really excited to try it on. This is super cool. All right, so this is a spray. Ladies and gents, you ready? Uh-oh. Oh, my bad. It actually works. You ready? Voila. Wow. This is strong. This is strong in a good way. And I love this. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. This one for sure. And I'll report back with the rest. So again, ladies and gents, this is super cool. Raw Chemistry Pheromone Cologne Spray. Vigor, however you want to pronounce it. And we got the Midnight one right here. Again, right? Let's actually check this out. This smells great as well. Last but not the least, Raw. Ladies and gents, look at this. This smells awesome. This is so cool. And yes, I'm excited to actually try them all one by one. Ladies and gents, this is super cool. Raw Chemistry fragrance set, Pheromone Cologne sprays, makes an amazing gift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.